Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Krystal and I post lifestyle content. If this is your first video, I would love if you take a second to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Y'all, I'm so excited because today we are doing our first challenge. I'm kicking off my first challenge for the channel. The goal this month for me is discipline. All of August I want to build strong, healthy habits. So I thought, well, what better way than to have my accountability partners join me on a step challenge. So y'all, I'm doing a challenge called 10K with Krystal. And basically all it is that everybody, the goal is to walk 10K steps a day. You can do it either walking, you can do a Grow with Joe walking video, you can do step aerobics, you can do Zumba. Just get your 10K steps. Now I'm going to go into the details of how I'm going to be running the challenge and let y'all know the app that I'm going to be using. The app that I'm going to be using is called Pacer, and it isn't that I chose the Pacer app, it's because from my understanding it's available on Android, Google, and Apple, so you can use it no matter what kind of phone you have. And it's also a pedometer, so if you don't have a smartwatch or a Fitbit, you can just like have your phone in your hand or in your pocket as you're walking, and it's going to count the steps, which I think is really great and just very good for people that might not, you know, have a smartwatch. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is download the Pacer app from your app store, whatever it may be. Then you're just going to click on the app and create an account. And it is a free app, y'all. Even if they keep asking you to sign up for a premium account, just tell them no thank you. So why I love this app, y'all, is because it allows for you to see your daily steps. It also gives you a level so that you know, because sometimes we're unrealistic about how much we move, but this lets me know that I am in fact sedentary, which makes sense. Then it gives you insights where it is going to give you an average steps that you take over like the week, the month, whatever. But to get to the challenge, all you want to do is you want to go to explore, then you want to look for challenges, and under challenges you're going to put in the challenge code that I have in the description box. So the code is BVM1972. so all I have to do is just type that in here, BVM1972. Perfect. And that is the challenge. It's 10K with Krystal, y'all. You have like 4 days left to join, I believe. And so it includes any type of walking activity. And the challenge is going to be from August the 1st to August the 31st. And basically how it works is that every day that you reach 10,000 steps, you get 1 point. So the total points you can get for the challenge is 31. Whoever wins first place, hopefully I win first place, but whoever wins second place, you will get a $100 Amazon gift card, because I wanted to make sure that there was a prize at the end of this for y'all. Pretty simple, y'all. Also, I do have a hashtag that I would love if y'all use on social media, and it is just hashtag 10K with Krystal. And just, you know, post it on your story, on your Instagram story or your TikTok, whatever, and I'll be resharing them. The Pacer app does come with a Apple Watch app and I think a Fitbit app, so you can download it to your watch or like link your watches. It's pretty simple. For the Apple Watch, all you need to do is download the app onto your watch and you're pretty much good to go. But basically, y'all, this is just a way to get us all moving. I think that although 10,000 steps is very like generic, I do think that like it's a good solid goal for all of us to have to move our body. So you can get the steps, like I said, however you want to get them. If you want to Zumba, if you want to power walk in the mornings, if you want to go do some laps around your office building on your lunch break, however you want to get it, y'all, just move those bodies. I can't wait to see who's going to be in the top 3. I'm like, the pressure's on because it can't be my challenge and I lose. I gotta at least be in the top 3, but whoever is the winner besides me, because again I'm coming for y'all, you will get a $100 Amazon gift card, because I did the question for the Q&A, like which one do y'all want. Y'all have me stressed because it's like 50-50 for the gift card and the Cash App. So the Q&A had the Cash App, and this challenge, the end of August, a winner will be getting a $100 Amazon gift card. I'm not putting y'all that there is a prize in the description of this video, because only the people that watch to the end and who are already viewers or who I want to win. I don't want somebody to come in that already walks 20,000 steps and it's like not even a challenge. So This is gonna be for all my girlies who aren't that super active, like myself, that we need some motivation, y'all. We're building discipline and consistency the month of August, and this is just one of the ways we're doing it. So yes, y'all, last thing is I did make some graphics that are right now on my community tab. I have a little graphic where you can check off every day that you complete the challenge, just so you can kind of see where you stand and share it with each other, and that way we can all know that other people are like in it with us and also using the app and in this challenge. I'm super excited. I can't wait for us to see who wins at the end of the month, and I can't wait to hear about y'all's body transformations. There is truly insane power in walking. Like, we forget that, like, how much it can help us like slim out. So I'm really excited to see my body transformation. I will be uploading videos weekly to just strictly dedicated to the walking challenge and to let y'all know like how it's going. Alrighty, y'all, thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Be sure to subscribe and make sure you download the Pacer app. You can always DM me on Instagram at Hey Krystal if you're confused.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely.